Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, beach drinking, all that stuff. The day after, I looked at my bank account and I'm just like, shouldn't probably have done that. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Meet Manny here. Today is a bit different. We are going to be talking about money. I wanted to talk about money because obviously it's something that everybody has to deal with every single day. And with all the stuff that I've been uploading, it may seem like that I'm just splurging on stuff, but I save up for everything that I buy, and it takes me a while before I actually purchase stuff. I would have to want something for like weeks or months or even years before I buy it, especially with like designer luxury items. It's not like I just go to the store and I have the money to buy it. I'm not an expert at all. I fluctuate between saving and splurging and all that, but I just want to share with you guys, how do I save money for all the things that I buy for myself, for my family? Do I actually save? Do I live paycheck to paycheck? All those stuff. Those are going to be the things that we're going to be talking about. I do talk a lot, so please bear with me. Before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, all those stuff. Let's get started. My first question on my note is, how do I save? Okay, so I did the math, right? So I think I save about 40 to 45% of my paycheck. It might sound crazy. I do not earn a lot. I have a TSP and I put money on that. It's like an allotment. Every time I get a paycheck, money goes straight to TSP, so I don't see it, I don't touch it at all. And it's been like that for the past 6 years. It's something that I don't even feel like I'm putting money on, because I've been doing it the past 6 years. So whatever that percentage that I do put on my TSP, it just goes straight there. I have my TSP, and then I have my another allotment just for straight up savings. So 25% goes to my allotment savings, and then another 10% I personally do put on my bank, so I see it, I can touch it if need be. It's just like an emergency money. It's basically my emergency fund. So that's that. So that's why I said 45%. I don't know if my math is right. Probably not. I'm not really good at math. But it's 10, 25, and another 10%. So that's how I save. I don't know if I look like I spend so much money on a lot of stuff, but it's because the past 6 years, right? Obviously I do get like pay raise and all that stuff, like all the good stuff, but I still spend my money as of right now, 6 years after, the same way I've been spending my money 6 years ago. I forgot where I learned that from, probably from one of my family members. So basically, let's just say I was earning $500, let's just say 6 years ago, right? So up to now, I still try to think that I only earn $500 a paycheck, even though I've had raises throughout the years. It's just the thought of, if I can live with $500 6 years ago, I don't see why not apply it to now. But obviously I tweak some like numbers and stuff like that, because obviously I got a different car, insurance, I live in a different state now. Everything else, obviously it's not gonna be like $500, right? But I kind of just like have that mindset of, if I wasn't spending money on this stuff before, I don't have to now. So I think I've been saving money the way I do. Also, another way that I think of money is that I always say I'm broke. I do know I'm not broke. I put it in my head that if I only have like $20 left in my account right before the next paycheck, then I'll do my best not to spend any more money, eat out, all that stuff. Remind myself that, hey, you don't have enough money. Hey, you're about to be broke if you spend $25 at the restaurant again. Or just things like that. It's like small reminders to myself that, hey, you know, I might want to slow down a bit with like spending money, because girl, you only have $20 left and you have like 2 weeks left before you get your next paycheck. It's funny because it has happened to me before. Also, bags. How can I afford all these luxury designer bags, right? So when I was like a teenager, I love bags. I will buy bags that's like $5.99, $10.99. Just, you know, all those like trendy bags and stuff like that. I had a talk with my sisters. Basically, they were saying that, Moo, that's my nickname. Moo, you know, you should just start investing on bags. And like, I don't even know what investing means, but buy one bag with better quality, right? Even though it's more expensive, buy a better quality that you can use for years than buying something that's cheap that you're only going to be using for the next month or two. And then, you know, you have to get rid of it because obviously it's broken. Let's see, eat out versus staying in. When I was still living in Virginia, this was not working out at all. I would eat out with my friends basically every night. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, beach drinking, all that stuff. Now that I live in Nevada, way different. I stay in, I cook my meals, I save up so much. I think it's because like what I said, I don't eat out like that anymore. I think that's just one thing that is different now. I don't eat out as much as I used to, basically. Also, one more thing. One of the things I did put out on here is pay off one debt that has the highest interest. This one I learned in 2017. I was reading the book of Robert Kiyosaki. I think that's his name. Basically, he was saying that, let's say you have 4 credit cards, 10, 20, 30, 40% interest free. So what you would want to do is pay off your credit card that has the highest interest rate first, because you pay them so much you're basically giving them money, right? So you want to pay the highest interest rate while still paying the minimum payment for all these 3. Okay, so now once you paid off your 40% interest credit card, you would jump in. So this is going to be gone, right? You jump into your next highest interest rate debit card, and however much you've been paying here on your this card right here, you just put it all on your 3rd card, right? While still paying minimum payments on these 2. And then once you pay this one, you jump into this one, the next high interest rate credit card, until you have one left. You know, basically, I'm not even gonna lie, I used that method in 2017, which I was in most debt, but I used that method of Robert Kiyosaki, and believe me, it does work. It does work. I found a book. So it is the Rich Dad, Poor Dad of Robert Kiyosaki. Right there. Must read. So another thing is that I have this on purpose in my background. Basically what I do is every time I go to a grocery store or like anything that has cash back, right? Here and there I would take out cash just so I can start putting money on my shadow box and my piggy bank thing. I'm bilingual, as you guys can tell. So I do put cash in here because I have this tendency of spending less when I have cash, because I see it and how much I can see how much I still have left and how much I've been spending, instead of like a debit card where you just swipe, then you lose track of how much you actually spend. Ooh, that's my banana bread. Okay. Ooh, my banana bread smells so good. Okay. This one, I've had this box for the last 3 years. So I know it's not really investing because it just stays there and it's not really making money for myself, you know, but that's the idea. It's sealed and all that, so I can't really touch it at all. My most awaited part of this video is to actually unbox this shadow box. Like what I said, it's been 3 years since I've been putting money in here, and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys so we can see if me saving with cash actually works or not. By the way guys, before I unbox it, I just want to show you guys this beautiful banana walnut muffin that I made. Okay, that's it. So let's move on to unboxing. This is a butter knife, by the way. It is open now. Oh my god. Okay. So I don't know how I'm gonna I just washed my hands. I have $600 plus 60 plus 70 plus 1920 plus, what is that, 98. I have $2,748. That's actually a lot. I thought I'm gonna have less. Hopefully my math is not wrong. So now I have an extra $2,748. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with it. I'm probably just gonna pay off my credit card or something like that. But that being said, that's 3 years of saving up for some money that it's more of like, oh, I have extra cash left. It's not even part of my actual 45% that I save. That's just on top of it. I just want to say it again. I am not a financial person. I just wanted to share with you guys how I save money for myself and for my future. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Meet Manny. I do a lot of unboxing and hopefully travel soon whenever the pandemic is over. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.